Cholesterol is a waxy fat-like substance that found in all cells in our body. It is produced by the liver, but it can also be obtained from the certain food that we eat. It occurs in the animal fats but not in the plant fats. So, cholesterol is a class of steroid nga nag-contain siya og 27 carbon atoms. As you can see, a hydroxyl group is naka-attach sa carbon 3 which is naa siya sa ring A, and one double bond between carbon atom 5 and 6. And also, naay 8 carbon side chain nga naka-attach sa carbon 17 which is naa siya sa D ring. There are two types of cholesterol. Ang LDL, which means low density lipoprotein, and also the HDL, which means high density lipoprotein. LDL or low density lipoprotein is referred as bad cholesterol. It is because nag-increase siya sa risk ng mga heart disease and stroke. HDL is a high density lipoprotein referred as a good cholesterol. It is because it helps to remove the LDL cholesterol nga nasa ato ang bloodstream and also reducing sa heart disease. What foods that produce bad cholesterol? So, kuan siya ang coconut oil, labi na mga fried nga mga food gina prito. So, pong tawag ni mga red meat like beef and pork, and also sa skin sa chicken. What are those foods nga na-produce og good cholesterol? So, mo ni sila ang olive oil, beans, whole grains, nuts,